If you want to learn how I made this brown rice chicken salad, or I'd say lemon and basil chicken salad, just keep on watching till the end. All the ingredients for this recipe is gonna be included in the description below. Thank you for watching. Enjoy! Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. If you're new to our channel, welcome. My name is Anna, and in our channel I share recipe, workout routines, and everything else in between. And if you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Also hit the bell, that way you will get notified whenever I upload a new videos. And if you're returning subscribers, thank you so much for joining here with me today. So today we're gonna be making another salad. This is a lemon basil chicken salad. It's gluten free, and this is perfect to carry for work or to include your meal prep. So let me show you all the ingredients. All the exact measurement for this recipe is gonna be included in the description below. So if you want to make this one, just scroll down to the description, that way you can see all the exact measurement for this salad. So let's get started everyone. Here are the stuff that we're gonna need. So in here everyone, I have 2 cups of brown rice that's already cooked. If you don't have a brown rice, you can do quinoa, but I use the brown rice here. Then I have some of this lettuce. Oops, hold on, I dropped something everyone. Okay, so I have this romaine lettuce right here that I just chopped into, it's just bite size. Alright, and then I have some red onions in here. I use the red onions because I like the color that will add this to the salad, but you can use white onions. And then I have a bell pepper. I am using a little bit of green bell pepper and also a yellow bell pepper. Then I'm gonna be needing some salt for my dressing. This right here everyone is just from 1 lemon, and I just squeezed the juice, and this is how much juice I got. I'll be using black pepper as well, olive oil, and I'll be using garlic, basil, and then the last that we're gonna need, I'm gonna be using rotisserie chicken. So if you don't have any rotisserie chicken, you can use whatever you have, the chicken. Just make sure you cook it first before you add it to the dish. So let's get started everyone. Alright everyone, let's make our dressing first. So in this small bowl, I'm gonna add my olive oil. Okay. Then the lemon juice. Then we're gonna put just a little bit of the salt, not so much. We're gonna start with half a teaspoon. Alright, and then we're gonna put black pepper, maybe 1/4 teaspoon. Okay. Now we're gonna stir this up. Just mix this well until all the ingredients are well combined. So if this look like it's not enough dressing, just make more, but I think this is good enough. And make sure you taste your sauce. Make sure you don't need salt. Alright, let's add just a little bit of salt, not so much. Alright, now we're gonna put this aside, okay? We're gonna mix our salad. Alright. In this bowl in here, everyone, we're gonna add our rice, our brown rice. Okay. Then we're gonna add our chicken. Right now, let's add our bell pepper, our onions, alright, now let's add our lettuce, alright. Now let's add our basil. This basil, everyone, will add such a great flavor to this salad. And last, let's add our garlic. So now we're gonna mix this well until all the ingredients are well combined. Alright, now we're gonna mix this. Just mix it gentle. That way we don't make a mess. This is a really good dish, everyone, or salad, because it's loaded with a lot of flavor and delicious vegetables, and of course it comes with the chicken. Just mix this gently. You don't need to rush in mixing this salad. Oops, we dropped something. And also, everyone, don't forget to check out my other salad recipe. I've been making a lot of salad for my husband and I, and they're really easy to make. So, alright. Alright, so that's how it looks, everyone. So now let's add our dressing. Alright, let's go ahead and add our dressing. So if you think this is not enough, everyone, just make more of the dressing. It's really easy to make. But for me, this is enough for me, because I don't want it to be really sour. And plus, the chicken already have its own flavor as well. But we might, you can add more salt if it needs more salt. But for me, I think this is enough. Let's see if we're gonna need more dressing. Just keep mixing this until all the ingredients are well combined. And my brown rice, everyone, if you notice, it's kinda floppy. It's really soft because every time I cook brown rice, I always add a lot of water. I don't follow what the instruction in the bag says, because if I do, it's just it's hard. I don't like it. Okay, so I think we got this all mixed up now. It's smelling really good, everybody. Hold on, let me get another spatula, that way I can toss this one. There it goes, much better. So this is a great salad to carry for work. It's loaded with protein already, and all you need to prepare is just your drink, because this is you don't really need anything else with this. Alright, so that's how my salad looks. So now let's give this a try. So I'm gonna give this a try. I don't think I need any more sauce on this, everyone. I'm gonna put the rest of this. I have a little bit of sauce left. But everyone, this one is really, it tastes really delicious. It has enough dressing. But you know, if you want more dressing and you don't have lemon anymore, if you have vinaigrette dressing, you can serve that with this one, because it's it would be perfect. But this right here, everyone, is just perfect. I don't think I need more dressing, and if I do, I will just serve vinaigrette on the side. That way they can control how much they can add to this salad. So thank you for watching, everyone, and I hope that you enjoyed this another salad recipe. This is a gluten-free. It's really delicious, and it has a perfect flavor, and it's with the basil and lemon juice and the olive oil, and of course with the rotisserie chicken. This salad is the best. I love this one. So thank you for watching, and I hope that you enjoy the recipe. If you give this a try, please let me know in the comments below. So everyone, after I put them in the container, this is how they look. I have 5 container in here full with delicious salad. So I hope that you enjoy this recipe. I will see you all again on my next video. Bye everyone.